Hi, how to write your horoscope with me. It is very easy. You just have to follow 3 steps and voila, you can have your horoscope written. Number 1, you can just have to click the Razorpay payment button below and it will redirect to your payment. After payment is done, take a screenshot, and I've given my WhatsApp number several places in this page. You can just click my WhatsApp number, it will redirect to a chat. You can send us the screenshot. If money reaches me and I get the screenshot too, I'll update you fastly as I get the screenshot. And number 2 is, I am in Chennai and I'm writing horoscope in Chennai. If you are in Chennai, I don't need your address, or else if you are not in Chennai, kindly send me the address, date of birth and time of birth, place of birth of the horoscope for whom it has to be written, and the language in which you want it to be written, either in Tamil or in English. These are the only 2 languages I write. And if you just mention if you want it to be written in English or in Tamil, so that it would be easy for me. And the 3rd step is, it will take 1 week for you to reach the horoscope. I'll finish the horoscope and it will take 1 week, and the courier charges come extra too. After the moment I do the courier, I'll just take the picture of the courier and I'll send the bill to you, so that you can transfer the exact amount. I don't need extra penny from you in the courier charge. I won't take extra penny from you. So what other things I would be writing in the horoscope, as if you take a normal astrologer, he just put a Rasi chart and Navamsa chart, and a few, like what to say, your date of birth, time of birth, normal things. And he'll also be giving you like major dasa bhuktis, and that's it. But me, in other case, I'll be putting 16 charts and their Ashtavarga charts too, where how your life in various aspects will be. And I'll also be writing the dasa and each bhukti under the dasa, which comes to other 9-10 pages of dates. And I'll also be writing your personal information. With this horoscope, with this notebook, you can go to any kind of astrologer and get an easy prediction. And this kind of horoscope writing is not done with any astrologer before, and we group of astrologers are the only persons doing these kind of horoscope writing. So guys, this is how to take horoscope writing from me. Thank you.